That's it. It's over and done with. This Sheila just broke my car. Thanks a lot. Smashed my dream. Ten years. I've had that car for 10 years. 10 years, thank you very much. Pull over.
Sorry, bro. It's a fucking nice outside.
Was. Listen.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
There's no sorry.
But
That car is damaged.
Yeah,
It's a very old car.
Yeah.
You have to pay for that.
Yeah, I pay.
You
I
have
got
to.
Yeah.
I don't have insurance.
I got insurance.
Oh, do you?
You don't need pay nothing. I got insurance, everything. Darling, my car is
I don't have insurance,
Doesn't
though.
matter. You don't need. I'm wrong.
That's my first car.
I don't know. You're my wrong.
I've had that car for 10 years.
I heard here and that here is here. I just find you. Let me lock it. I have full insurance.
But still, it's not good, though. This is not.
Nobody. I don't want that. Everyone don't want that, but accident. Okay. Yeah.
That's a project car, sweetheart. It's not a normal car.
I don't know.
It's an old car. A very old car. You destroyed it. If it was any other car, it wouldn't matter, but you had to touch that one.
Where's the car?
This one, what am I going to do to it now? You destroyed my car.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
How did you not see me?
I don't see you because I turn right and your car very low in below here and you try and I turn right and I'm my fault.
I understand.
My fault. I say sorry, darling.
I understand.
Philip.
It was my first car. I've had it for 10 years.
Yeah, don't worry. I was
making a YouTube video.
You give your insurance. I call the insurance.
I don't have insurance.
I have insurance pay you. They got the police there.
Yeah, I want it fixed, though.
Yes,
That's what
I fix everything for you. Don't worry. I got full insurance. Fix my car and fix your car. Okay? What's your name? Now we give the license. We both together and I put your car first because you hit me and I turn right.
Wish I wish it was any other car.
I don't want to.
You know?
It's a trouble for me. I'm tired. I feel that it's very, very upset. I'm upset too, darling. I'm 70.
I understand
I
that.
am so scared too. I'm a woman, 70 years
But
old.
I've lost. This is all I had.
You don't need worry. Insurance pay everything. I got full insurance. Come here. Give me the car. Come here, Mom. I give you my license and your license. You may change the license, okay? And that's a Honda, not the
Prelude.
That is only the Honda. But
Yeah.
here my Lexus is big. I'm 100,000 car, but that one nothing. So you don't worry. I pay everything.
Alright.
Doesn't matter.
It,
Doesn't matter.
it's easy for you.
Everything will be okay.
Easy for you to say, Dal. I'm stressing. I'm stressing to the core here. I'm stressing to the core.
Take it easy. Everything will be okay. Only the money. Nothing. Okay? I'm not worried and you worry. I'm not worried and you worry. You see my car?
Now, I see your car, but that's an old car.
Yeah.
And I've spent thousands of dollars on that car.
Only I'm not drunk and you're not drunk. We are very normal. But to that, I can't see it when I turn right. Oh my God. What's your name? Oh, come here.
My name's Troy.
Yeah, don't worry. I give you
My parents are gonna kill me.
don't worry, don't kill. The insurance take everything. You call my insurance, and the insurance will fix for you everything. Okay? I'm sorry already. Sorry.
I understand, but
I don't want that. I need to pay money, a lot of money now. But I don't care because that's accident. I got full insurance, cover my car and cover your car. Okay? Now, give me the license here. We make a photo, and I will tell my insurance to fix your car.
yeah.
And I will call you. Okay? You give me your phone number and license, and I will.
Oh my God.
I give you license and my license. I don't want. I'm so scared. I don't want. Oh my goodness! How can I do that? No, give me the license. Put here for me. Easier. No, you my license. You put in here for more liar. Yeah.
Yeah. I gotcha.
Oh my goodness. Got license. The lucky we are still alive. We don't have a trouble. We don't have accident.
I just need your
Sometimes-
copy of your license.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I give my phone and you give me my phone. And they got the license, they got the address, and they got the. You got the pen or no? I find the pen.
No, I don't have a pen, doll.
Got the pen? I think I got the pen. You got the mobile phone?
Yes, in the car. I'll go get it. Fuck! Fucking believable. Sorry guys, this is the end of the road for me. No more Prelude videos, no more X-Tron Garage. And kiss my car goodbye, guys. Fuck, I don't know. Okay, just for reference of the damage, okay, You have to call your insurance. I can't call them.
I call,
Yes.
but give me your phone. I contact you.
4
4
999
9
09.
09. Call you now.
Beautiful.
And that's my phone number in you.
Thank you.
And you live alone here?
Yeah, I do. I live in Braybrook.
Very good.
Yeah.
You write down. My name is Tu Phong Chu.
Okay. I might not be able to spell it, your name.
Yeah, I give you.
You can send it to me.
Yeah.
So I've got your call, so no problem.
You remember that number 388 is my phone.
Yes.
You can put the name now or Lydia.
I'll do it. I just don't know how to.
Yeah, you just put Lydia, Lydia,
So-
easier because my Chinese name is her. And I contact tonight. I tell my son ring the phone, ring the insurance.
Your son's not gonna be happy with you.
Doesn't matter, my car. I ring.
Oh, still he won't be happy when he sees the car that you hit.
He very happy to see I am safe.
Fair enough, but he might be upset about the car you hit though.
Doesn't matter, I pay.
You keep saying trying to make me feel better, but
Morning.
no
And I
problem.
phone you.
Yeah.
And I go home now. I tell to my son before before when I'm scared too, but I try to when he come down.
Yeah.
Because I need to drive home. I'm very
I understand.
very
Take it
upset.
easy.
And you too. Don't worry. Everything I got full insurance. Everything here, my car, my labor, you got my all the detail here.
Yeah.
If I don't contact anyone, you can go to police. They straight away we know who you are.
I know.
That's it. You don't
Yeah.
worry anything.
But I believe that you'll do the right thing because you already told me. You know what I mean?
I got full insurance.
Yeah, that's fine. But there's cameras. They saw everything. So
I know. Good night. I'm sorry. One more time.
that's all right. That's
I don't
fine.
want my dad.
Oh,
I need to pay more excess and pay a lot of money for that. Okay. No.
when would I hear from you?
Huh?
When would you call me?
Tonight.
Tonight?
I tell insurance and they will give me.
When you speak to them, you give them my telephone number,
and
yeah?
they will give me the.
This will be my wife.
Now you know. I need to go home tonight, and I tell my son at home. I will tell my son to do it. No, tomorrow.
Okay.
Exactly. I will contact you.
Okay.
Don't worry. I will do everything for
Okay.
you.
Thank you very much.
Don't thank you.
But
I will do everything. You see me? I'm not a nothing people.
neither am I.
You believe me?
Neither am I. I've got an autistic son.
You believe
And he's only
me?
6.
Yeah. I will do everything for you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, that's all right. Okay.
You got my license. You got everything already.
Yeah. See ya. Well, that's it, guys. I was just out making a video for you guys. I was only just making a video. And she drove into the Prelude. That's it. It's over and done with. It was nice knowing you all, man. And thanks for all your support.